Hello everyone, in this video we're going to dive into this AI powerful website and create a quick review about this AI platform called Play.ht. Play.ht is an AI powered text-to-speech generator that focuses on creating a realistic and expressive voiceover. Think of it as a tool that helps you bring your content to life with engaging audio. And here's the key benefit about this AI website. They offered a natural sounding voice from about 907 plus AI generated voice in 142 languages and accent. They also offered an easy to use and platform which makes their website their AI powered and intuitive interface and make it super easy to convert text to speech within a minute. And also offered a customization option which help you adjust your voice speed, pitch, and emphasis to get the perfect sound. And it also gives integrations which work seamlessly with a popular platform like WordPress, Shopify, and YouTube, with additional features including audio editing tools, podcast hosting, and API access for developers. And also, they offer a wide range of plans. They offer that by close to four pricing plan. For example, we have the free plan, which offers about 12,500 character per month. The Akas plan, which is $5 per month and up to 3 million characters. Then on the Pro plan, you paid $49 per month. Can be higher than that, depends on the current state. You can pay, but for the Pro, they offer about 49 per month with limited time offer and also get access to unlimited character. And the startup plan, which is about 299 per month with 2 million with 2 million monthly character access to your voice and language. And the custom plan, which is the growth plan, which is the price is not revealed. So if you want to get the price plan for these, you have to get back to the customer support. And here's the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pro, it's huge voice library, and also they offer the user-friendly interface with a seamless integration with other platform and the podcast hosting features with affordable pricing. So talking about the downside about this platform, the free plan is limited. Some voice, sounds, robotics, and editing tools could be more robust. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.